It is Friday the 29th of May 2020. As you can see, I'm here in the kitchen. Now we've got a load of beans and peas in the freezer, one of our freezers. We need to get them used up because this was crops from last year. We need to start making space for this year's crops. So I got a load of them out, defrosted them overnight, and I'm now in the process of making some veggie pasties. So this is the filling, and it is broad beans, runner beans, peas, a few potatoes and onions, and mixed into it is some ketchup, and the ketchup is it is plum and blackcurrant ketchup. So it's one that I made last year, so again just getting that used up as well. The pasties have been in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 35 minutes now, and for the last 5 minutes I switched the oven off. And hey, there we go. Not bad. And they're a meal, and they're round. Don't need to have anything with them.